So another awareness question. See, these sort of questions, there is no point in chasing every line and every page of spectrum to attempt these sort of questions. Ee tara questions bandag ನೀವು awareness use ಮಾಡಿ, you should play that game of probability where you have 60-70% chance of getting right, not 100%. So in the first quarter of 17th century, andre before 1625, simple agi helide, in which of the following were the factories of East India Company located? Let us recall our basics. 1600, Captain William Hawkins came to the coast of Surat. So first factory of English of the British, it was established in Surat. This is our basics. Ish namige ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So 1625 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ all over India ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ, ಇಲ್ಲ, it would have taken time. Right? So you yourself might, if you have to recall another thing also, like 1764 or 64 Treaty of Allahabad ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ Bengal, Bihar, Orissa. So by the end of 18th century, British all over India occupy ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, not before that. Now we are talking about 1625. So first factory ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Surat ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So if Surat ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Western coast ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So British ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ? First western coast ಅಲ್ಲಿ our territory na they would have fortified, they would have made it stable or strong in that particular region. Then they would have expanded to other regions. Look at the following. Broach is in Gujarat. Tiruchirappalli is in the east, you know that bit. So like I said, Broach is in Gujarat. Though we did not know it, let us see. See, Tiruchirappalli eldrigu gottu, it comes from the eastern coast, right? So Tiruchirappalli is in the east, Surat is in the west, and we are talking about things which happened in the first quarter. So first western dominate ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ east ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. So at this point of time, they wouldn't have come to east. At least this much we could have understood. So 50-50. So Broach Gujarat ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ we would have chosen it. ಅವಾಗಲೂ 50-50 ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅಥವಾ ತಿರುಚನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ 50-50 ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. So among these two, Chicacole, in general we might have not known where Chicacole is. It is nothing but Srikakulam of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh again comes to the east. So this is not the answer. Answer is only A. So Chicacole ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ we could have answered the exact answer, or else we would have been forced to do 50-50 among option A and B. But C ಮತ್ತೆ D ಮಧ್ಯ confusion ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲೇಬಾರದು, because that is not possible in this case. So even if you are using smart guesswork here, without the knowledge of Chicacole, you wouldn't have got the exact answer. Rather, you would have had to do 50-50.